The Casaottima 43-inch gaming desk features a versatile L-shaped design that fits perfectly into any room layout, especially corners, making it ideal for home offices or gaming setups. With its built-in charging station, this desk offers convenient power access through 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, ensuring all your devices are charged and organized. Enhance your gaming or work environment with customizable RGB lighting, offering 10 static colors and various dynamic modes to match any room style. Smart storage solutions are integrated into the desk, including 2 shelves, a CPU stand, a headphone hook, and a storage bag, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. The desk's stable construction with adjustable foot pads ensures a wobble-free experience even on uneven floors, adding to its reliability and durability. Easy assembly is a standout feature, thanks to pre-labeled parts and clear instructions, and any issues are promptly addressed by the responsive after-sales support team.